Buying a new jacket.
Hello, can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket.
Great. What kind of jacket do you need?
Something casual. Maybe a denim jacket.
We have some nice denim jackets over here.
Oh, I like this blue one.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Let me look for a medium. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there on the right.
Great, thank you. I'll be right back. So, how does this look?
It looks a bit small on you, actually.
Yes. It feels quite tight around the shoulders.
Do you want to try a large?
Yes, please. That might be better.
Here is the large. Give this one a try.
Okay, let's see.
How was that one?
This is much better. It feels very comfortable.
It looks great on you, too.
Really? Is the color okay?
Yes, dark blue suits you well.
Perfect. How much is it?
It's 45 pounds.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Follow me to the cash register.
Outfit for an interview.
What are you wearing to your job interview tomorrow?
I don't know. I'm really nervous.
Don't worry. Let's look in your closet.
I have this black suit. Is it too formal?
No, a suit is perfect for an interview.
What shirt should I wear with it?
A white shirt is always a safe choice.
Okay, here is my clean white shirt.
That looks very clean and nice.
Do I need to wear a tie?
Yes. I think you should wear a tie.
Which tie looks better? The blue or the red?
The blue one looks very professional.
Let me put them on so you can see.
Sure. Go ahead.
How does this look now?
Wow, you look very smart.
Does the tie match the suit?
Yes, it matches perfectly.
What about shoes? Can I wear these sneakers?
No, absolutely not. You need leather shoes.
Do you mean these black, smart shoes?
Yes, those look much better.
Are they clean? They look a bit dirty.
You can clean them with a cloth.
Good idea. I will do that now.
You are going to look great tomorrow.
Thanks for your help, Sarah. I feel better.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Ready for the party?
Are you ready for the party tonight?
Almost. What is the dress code?
It is just a casual party at Sarah's house.
Okay, so I don't need to wear smart trousers?
No, jeans and a nice t-shirt are fine.
What are you going to wear?
I'm wearing my new green dress.
Oh, that sounds very nice. Is it long?
No, it's a short summer dress.
Should I wear a sweater? It might get cold.
Yes, bring a sweater or a light jacket.
What about this yellow hoodie?
That yellow is very bright. Do you have a gray one?
Yes. I have a gray sweater here.
That gray one looks much more stylish.
Okay, I'll wear the gray one.
Great. And what shoes are you wearing?
Just my regular white trainers.
Are they clean?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
Perfect. We want to look good.
What time are we leaving?
We should leave in about 20 minutes.
Okay, I just need to brush my hair.
Don't take too long, please.
I won't. I'm almost ready.
Great, I'll wait downstairs.
See you in 5 minutes.
Buying new shoes.
Hello. Are you looking for anything special?
Yes, I need some comfortable walking shoes.
We have these black running shoes on sale.
Those look very nice and light.
What size do you need?
I am usually a size 6.
Let me check the back for a size 6.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here is a size 6. Try them on.
Oh, they feel a bit tight near my toes.
Really? Maybe you need a size 6.5.
Yes, do you have that size?
I think we do. Let me look.
Thank you for checking.
Here's the size 6.5.
Let me try this pair.
How do they feel? A1-A2.
These are very comfortable. There is more space.
Do you like the black color?
Yes, black is great because it goes with everything.
We also have them in blue and gray.
No, I prefer the black ones.
Excellent choice. They look very nice on you.
Are they good for rainy days?
Yes, they are water resistant.
That is very useful for winter.
Definitely. Would you like to buy them?
Yes, I'll take this pair, please.
Great. Please come this way to pay.
Returning a shirt.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi. I would like to return this shirt.
Of course. Is there a problem with it?
Yes, it is too small for me.
Did you try it on at home?
Yes, and I couldn't close the buttons.
Ah, I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here is the receipt.
Thank you. When did you buy it?
I bought it last Saturday.
Okay, that is within our 30-day return policy.
That's good to hear.
Would you like to exchange it for a larger size?
Do you have a large in the same color?
Let me check our computer system.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, we are completely sold out of the large.
Oh, that's a shame. I really like the red color.
We have it in blue, if you like.
No, I don't really like the blue one.
In that case, I can give you a full refund.
Yes, please. A refund is fine.
How did you pay for the shirt?
I paid with my credit card.
Can I have your credit card, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please tap your card here.
Okay, did it work?
Yes, all done. Here is your refund receipt.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Packing for the beach.
Have you started packing for Spain yet?
Not yet. I don't know what to bring.
Well, The weather is going to be very hot.
So, I only need summer clothes?
Yes, pack plenty of shorts and t-shirts.
Should I bring my swimsuit?
Definitely. We are going to the beach every day.
Okay, I have 2 pairs of swimming shorts.
Great. Don't forget your sunglasses.
I have them right here on the table.
You also need a sun hat.
A hat? I don't usually wear hats.
The sun is very strong. You need to protect your face.
Okay, I will bring my baseball cap.
That works. Are you packing sandals?
Yes, I have my leather sandals and some sneakers.
Good choice. Sneakers are good for walking around.
Do I need to bring a jacket for the evening?
Maybe just one light jacket or sweater.
Sometimes it gets windy near the sea.
That's true. I'm packing a cardigan myself.
How many t-shirts should I pack?
I think 5 or 6 is enough.
Okay, I have my favorite blue one here.
That one looks very good on you.
Thanks. I'm almost finished packing now.
Great. I need to close my suitcase too.
This holiday is going to be amazing.
I can't wait.
Vintage shopping.
This vintage shop is so cool.
Yes, there are so many interesting clothes here.
Look at this leather jacket.
Wow, that is very retro.
It is from the 1980s.
Is it in good condition?
Yes, the leather feels very soft and clean.
Let me see the price tag.
It is only $25.
That is extremely cheap for leather.
I know. I'm going to try it on.
What do you think of this shirt I found?
Oh, that pattern is very bright.
It has yellow and purple flowers on it.
It is definitely unique.
I think it is fun for summer.
Does it fit you? It looks a bit large.
I like the oversized look. It is very comfortable.
How much is it?
It is only $8.
That is a great bargain.
Should I buy it?
Why not? Vintage clothes are very trendy now.
Yes, and it is better for the environment too.
Exactly. Buying secondhand is great.
Okay, I'm definitely getting this shirt.
And I am definitely buying this jacket.
Let's go to the checkout counter then. Finding a winter coat.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need a very warm winter coat.
It is getting very cold outside now.
Yes, my old coat is not warm enough.
We have some excellent down coats over here.
Are they waterproof?
Yes, they are waterproof and windproof.
That is very important. It rains a lot here.
This long black coat has a nice hood.
Oh, the hood has fake fur on it.
Yes, it keeps your face very warm.
Can I try this one on?
Of course. What size are you?
I am usually a size small or medium.
Let's start with the medium because you wear sweaters under it.
That is a very good point.
Here is the medium. Give it a try.
It feels very cozy and thick.
How is the length? 1 dot gas time 2. Why use 10?
It comes down to my knees. That is perfect.
Is it too heavy for you?
No, it is actually quite light, but feels warm.
Great. Do you like the black color?
Yes, black goes with all my clothes.
It looks very nice and elegant on you.
Thank you. How do I clean it?
You can machine wash it on a cold cycle.
Oh, that is very convenient.
Yes, it is very easy to look after.
Wonderful. I will buy this coat, please.
Washing the clothes.
James, can you help me with the laundry?
Sure. What do I need to do?
We need to separate the colors first.
Okay. Whites go in this basket, right?
Yes, and dark colors go in the other basket.
What about this red sweater?
Put that with the dark colors, please.
Should we wash this wool sweater in the machine?
Let me check the label inside.
What does the label say?
It says hand wash only.
Ah, okay. We shouldn't put it in the machine.
No, it might shrink if we machine wash it.
I made that mistake last year with my favorite shirt.
Yes, it became small enough for a child.
That was very sad. I loved that shirt.
What about these cotton t-shirts?
They can go in the washing machine.
At what temperature?
The label says 30 degrees.
30 degrees is good. It saves energy, too.
Do we have washing powder?
Yes, it is in the cupboard above the machine.
Okay, I see it.
Use 1 cup of powder for this load.
Got it. I will start the machine now.
Great. Thank you for your help, James.
No problem. Teamwork makes it fast.
Ready for the gym?
Are you ready to go to the gym?
Almost. I need to find my gym shorts.
They are on the drying rack in the kitchen.
Oh, thanks. I see them now.
What t-shirt are you wearing?
This gray sports t-shirt. It is very breathable.
Good. You need something light because we are running today.
Yes, we are doing a lot of cardio.
What socks are you wearing?
Just some simple white sports socks.
Make sure they are thick so you don't get blisters.
Yes, these are proper running socks.
Excellent. Which trainers are you wearing?
My blue running shoes. They have great support.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are very flexible and soft.
I am wearing my new black leggings today.
They look very nice. Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are great for stretching and running.
Do you have a water bottle?
Yes, it is already in my gym bag.
Should I bring a towel?
Yes, we definitely need towels. We sweat a lot.
I will grab 2 small towels from the bathroom.
Perfect. I will wait by the door.
Okay, I have my shoes on now.
Do you have the car keys?
Yes, they are in my pocket. Let's go.